Hi everyone, welcome back to mathematics class with me, Mr. Rizal. The topic for today, we are going to discuss and learn about multiples and factors. I believe this is not the first time for you to learn multiples and factors, but sometime you were confused or get accidentally exchanged between multiples and factors. So for the first, I'm going to give you some review. Okay, we have multiples and factors. The first one is multiples. Okay, this is the same thing when you have to remember about multiplication of 5 or 4 or 3. Now we are going to find the multiples of 4. It means we are going to multiply 4 by another whole number. Start from 1, 2, 3, and so on. Okay, so multiple of 4. 4 multiplied by 1, of course 4. 4 multiplied by 2, and then 8. 4 multiplied by 3, 12, and so on. So that's multiples. Or you may do something like addition, repeatedly addition. For example, you add 4 repeatedly from 4. 4 plus by 4 is 8, and then plus by 4, 12, plus by 4, 16, and so on. That's multiples, okay? Next, factors. Factors of 6. Okay, factors, some of the people might say factors as divisor. Okay, it means the number that can divide another number. Now, to find out the factors of 6, we are going to find out the number that can divide 6. Okay, can 6 divided by 1? If can, so 1 is the factors of 6. How about 2 now? Can 6 divided by 2? Yes. So 2 is the factors of 6. How about 3? Okay. How about 4? Can 6 divided by 4? If cannot, so 4 is not the factors of 6. Then continue. 5 not. The last one is 6. So this is the difference between multiples and factors. Okay, now we are going to continue with least common multiples. Least in the other word is like smallest or the lowest. The common means the same, and multiples, of course, multiples, right? Next, least common multiples. For example, I have some question. Find least common multiples of 4 and 6. Okay, before we go to that part, least common multiple, for short we can write this as LCM, least common multiples, or in bahasa Indonesia known also as KPK, kelipatan persekutuan terkecil. You will learn something like that later on, okay? Okay, let's go back to least common multiples. Before we go to least common multiples, we are going to find out the common multiples of 4 and 6. Let's do it together. We start with multiples of 4. Please help me. Come on. 4, and then 8, and then 12, 16, 20, 24, and so on. And then next, the multiple of 6. Let's do it together. 6, 12, and then 18, 24, 30, 36. Okay. Actually, you may expand, you may continue the set of the numbers, but in this case, I think this is enough. So, let's find the common multiples first. So, the common multiples of 4 and 6, can you find the same number? Okay, from these two lists of multiples. Okay, we have like 12 over here. Okay, this is the same, all the common multiples, 12. And then we have 24. Very nice. Okay, 24. If you continue or if you expand the set of the number, you will get another number later. Can you guess what number? Okay, it is 36, 48, and then so on. Okay, now after that, so we can find the least common multiples of 4 and 6. So the LCM, I will write it short. The least common multiples of 4 and 6 is, or you may write in this case equal later. Can you find from this list which one is the smallest one? 12, of course. So the answer is 12. So the least common multiples of 4 and 6 is 12. Okay, let's go. Let's continue. Okay, now we are going to find out the greatest common factors. Or for short, we can write it as GCF. Or in Bahasa Indonesia, also known as FPB, Faktor Persekutuan Terbesar. Okay, let's find out. For example, find the greatest common factors of, let me think, okay, 6 and 9. Before we go to that part, to the greatest common factors, we are going to find out the common factors of 6 and 9. Let's find out factors of 9. Factors of 6, sorry. Okay, can you find some numbers, any numbers that can divide 6? Okay, 1, of course. Next, 2, okay, 3, and then another 4 can, of course not, 5 not, so 6. And then the next one, the factors of 9. So let's do it together. 9 can divide it exactly by 1, of course. 2 cannot, so 3, 4 cannot, 5 cannot, 6 cannot, and then 7, of course not, 8 and 9. So we have this list. The factors of 6, 1, 2, 3, 6. Factors of 9 is 1, 3, 9. Before we go to greatest common factors, can you find out the common, okay, yes, common factors. So the common factors of 9 and 6 is, can you find out? 1 and 3. The common is 1 and 3. The common factors of 6 and 9 is 3. But for this part, we are going to find out the greatest one. Okay, since we have greatest common factors. So greatest common factors of 6 and 9 is or equal 3, because we are looking for the greatest one. Okay? Okay, the last part, as usual, I'm leaving you one exercise for you to do it at home. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.